maybe?
Today, so.
Brian Ellis.
Oh, look.
KCUR in Kansas City, Missouri. Brian, lots to talk to you about, but Cori Bush is a single mother who got her start in politics after the 20th,
including St. Louis, calling for police reform or defunding. Cori Bush rose to prominence, as she suggested in her quote there, as a community activist after Michael Brown was killed by police in Ferguson. But her election is very much in the vein of Jamal.
What an asshole!
If she's elected, it's a strongly Democratic district. She will be the first black woman ever to represent Missouri in Congress. Should be noted,
That was so funny.
Who had represented the St. Louis area there for 20 years, his father.
Ребятки, дайте мне проехать, а?
Food bread to the soul food bread. Unless that's what you call cornbread. I realize religion jokes make some people uncomfortable, especially the ones that are going to. Don't you dare get back to your regular.
Yeah! 364-6285, New Hampshire.
Police 911. This lot's recorded. Where is your emergency?
My emergency was en route to in Leominster. I was rear-ended and the person is running away. I'm currently chasing him.
Okay. Can you say a license plate?
I'm trying to get close enough. I've got a dash cam that recorded the impact, and I read off the license plate on the dash cam. This guy is...
You want to pull over and I can get you some help?
Yeah, I can if you want me to.
Where are you? Well, where did the accident happen?
It happened just east of Leominster, and on Route 2 eastbound.
Where, what exit? You know?
I don't know. I'm kind of shaken up right now.
Are you hurt?
What?
Are you hurt?
It feels like I got some neck strain, but that's about it.
You want an ambulance?
No, don't need an ambulance.
Where are you now?
I couldn't tell you at the moment. It seems like I'm heading north.
So did you get off Route 2?
Yes, I got off Route 2.
Okay, I'll
license
connect to the
number.
troopers there, but if you're going to want to file a report, you're going to have to stop.
License number 364-6285, New Hampshire. Did you get that?
364-6285.
364-6285.
Okay, I'll connect to the troopers. Hold on. Sir, Station G, I have a code 22 on the line. He was involved in a hit and run 16 on Route 2. He got off Route 2. He's showing up in the area of 1454 Lancaster Ave. 1454 Lancaster Ave? Yeah, and that's Lunenburg. He gave me a plate of New Hampshire 364-6285. 364, what was it? 6285. He said he was chasing the vehicle, but I got the license plate and I told him to pull over and stop. Sir, are you still on the line?
Yes, I am.
Okay. I'll send cruiser out there. Sir, are you stopped now?
Yes, I am. I'm on Lancaster Avenue, just south of Gibson Street.
Okay. Thank you. We'll send patrol out there.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Bye.
Pull out in front, ain't he?
KCUR in Kansas City, Missouri. Brian, lots to talk to you about, but Cori Bush is a single mother who got her start in politics after the 20...
including St. Louis calling for police reform or defunding. Cori Bush rose to prominence, as she suggested in her quote there, as a community activist after Michael Brown was killed by police in Ferguson. But her election is very much in the vein of